Hello friends, welcome to my channel The World of Literature. In the earlier videos, I had discussed about the relevance of studying partition literature. Today, I will discuss about the different subjects of partition literature on which creative writings can be done. The vast volume of partition fiction and stories is written in English, Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, and other languages of the subcontinent that faithfully records the partition as a reality. These are some of the images of my books on partition. You can see it on Google and it's also available at Amazon. Now, coming back to the topic, subjects of partition literature, an overview. Number one, partition offers a variety of subjects for the creative minds. The majority of writers chose to deal with violence, massacre, brutality, and also the politics involved in the division of the country. Both Indian and Pakistani writers vividly incorporated the incidents of partition into literature. Literature thus reflects each and every aspect of the division of the continent. The displacement, migration, loss, suffering, the abuse and humiliation that the woman had to undergo, and their trauma gives a clear picture of partition suffering. The displacement pose different questions like where do they actually belong to? What is their identity? These questions are very relevant after partition. The migrated people could not easily accept the newly created land as their home, nor could they forget their own motherland. They could not identify themselves as the citizens of a new nation, nor could they be accepted as equals by the natives. The question and issue of identity has been dealt with by many writers of the Pakistan like Krishna Sokti, Ismat Chugtai, Rajendra Singh Bedi, Khwaja Ahmad Abbas, Sadat Hasan Monto, etc. The writers of the Indian subcontinent has dealt with the brutality, the killings, bloodshed, violence of partition, etc. Some writers dealt with the suffering of the women who survived the partition riots. The kidnapping, abduction, forced marriage, etc., finds expression in their creative writings. Writers like Chaman Nahal, Khushwant Singh, Bapsi Sidhwa, Salman Rushdie, etc., has faithfully recorded the trauma of partition lives. Partition novels. Now, I will talk about partition novels. What partition novels are? Novels written in the backdrop of partition is known as partition novels. The riots that affected the culture, history, and literature found its expression in partition novels. Communal violence is the theme in partition novels. These novels depict attacks, fires, murders, abduction, conversion, etc. The gruesome reality of partition event is depicted in partition novels. These are the images of few of the novels because we have already discussed with many. So, like Atia Hussain, Sunlight on a Broken Column, Khushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan, Salman Rushdie's Midnight Children, etc. These are the images of few of the novels. Then the next one is partition stories. How in the stories partition is depicted. Major concern of partition story writer is to show the stories based on real events and incidents. Stories that reflect the wound of the human psyche, stories of the horrors and experience of the partition, trauma that includes sorrow, suffering, bitterness, etc. The heart-twisted stories were written by Kartar Singh Duggal, Khwaja Ahmad Abbas, Sadat Hassan Monto, etc. When others depicted the tragedy, Monto concentrated on the poor and downtrodden who were affected by the gruesome act of partition. Again, here, these are few images of the stories, the scars of 1947, then partition of India, the stories of Monto. Then the next is partition films. Films that depicted the event of partition and successfully conveyed the plight of human beings through films are the partition films. Some filmmakers took the story from the novels and adapted into movies. Some of them filmed bloodshed, violence, loss of ancestral property, and population exchange. Some depicted migration, some depicted suffering and abduction of women, some depicted forceful conversion and trauma of women. Those writers who migrated to Pakistan shared their own experiences. The longing for their own homeland is also depicted while showing the film. These are images of some of the films like Gadar, Tamas, Bharat, etc. The other films we have already discussed in earlier videos. So, students, this was a brief overview of partition study. You can study partition literature from different perspectives like historical, social, psychological, feminist, or gender perspectives. These are the different perspectives on which partition study can be done. So, dear friends, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.